Ever wanted to put your face directly into your favorite movie scene? Or create hilarious group videos with your friends in just a few seconds? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at DeepSwap.ai, an online AI face swapping tool that makes creating realistic face swap videos, photos, and GIFs incredibly easy. Whether you want to make viral memes, try out new hairstyles, or level up your content creation, this tool claims to do it all right from your browser. According to DeepSwap, their self-developed AI model delivers over 90% face similarity, which is a massive step up from standard open-source tools. It even handles challenging angles, consistent rendering across frames, and high-definition 4K video. Plus, it's incredibly fast, capable of processing a 1-minute video in just 10 seconds using high-performance GPUs. You can even swap up to 6 different faces in a single video clip, making it perfect for group projects or family videos. Using the platform is simple and takes just 3 basic steps. First, you upload the video, photo, or GIF you want to edit. For the best results, make sure the faces in your upload are clear and facing forward. Second, you add the target face you want to swap in. Finally, you let the AI do its magic, preview the result, and download your brand new video. Beyond face swapping, the site also features extra tools to enhance images, erase backgrounds, and cartoonize photos. Now, let's talk about what people are saying. On-site testimonials praise how fun and easy the platform is to use. However, because independent external reviews are limited online, it's always a good idea to test the tool with your own files to see if the quality meets your expectations. On the plus side, the platform states they do not collect your data, which is a great reassurance for privacy. If you want to try it out for yourself and unleash your creativity, head over to DeepSwap.ai. They currently have a 50% discount on their premium plans, so it's a great time to check it out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of face swap you're going to make first. See you in the next video.